The stream be starting.
So what is going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? Thanks for coming to the stream. How you guys been? Welcome to the Crypto Hangout episode 40. Wow, we're at episode 40 right now. Appreciate all you guys coming on here. Let me get the chat here. Let's see if the webcam is good. All right, looks like everything's pretty good. How you guys been? I know it's been a while. How have you guys been? Let me know what you guys been up to. What's up, T Money? What's up, Crypto Dream? Happy to be live streaming here, even though it's been a while. You know, during this time here. Right now it's 11:25 in the morning. But yeah, I'm happy to be live again. I might even go live later again because I'm gonna try to watch the England game. I think it's like it's basically like in an hour or something from now. So maybe I'll go out on later on too. Yeah, I want to talk about here the charts. I also want to talk about, hey, Crypto Dream, thank you so much, bro. Thank you for the super chat, bro. Appreciate the support, man.
Higher, new donation.
Donated. Hey, thank you so much, Crypto Dream. It's a great welcome back present. But yeah, you know, the markets, I definitely want to talk about the markets. What I've been doing, I really haven't been buying anything besides a little bit of Flux, Data, what's the other one, Data, but really like a small amount. I haven't been buying like I've been, you know, when we were around here, you know, around 20,000, 19,000 Bitcoin, which was literally, you know, back here in the beginning of March. So I haven't been buying anything. Just like a little bit, like I'll buy like $20 of Flux a day, $20 of Data and Theta. And that's mainly because I'm trying to get my my goal to have the node. Hey, T Money, thank you so much, bro. Welcome back. Shib looks docs out. Hey, T Money, thank you for the super chat, man. I appreciate it. Really appreciate the super chat, man. But yeah, Shib, I haven't been up to date with Shib. I gotta get up to date on everything. I know Shibarium and everything, but the Shib documents are out. That is awesome. I'm gonna be let me see, in the forums here in the super chat. You guys can post in the forums too. I don't know if you guys saw this change, but I basically changed it now that instead of like a bunch of chats, which is just way like uglier, I feel like it's just super long, right? Instead of all those chats, I just put this one right here, Crypto HQ, and each one has like the you know, the coin that you have, and right here SHIB. You know, I'm gonna start posting here too, either videos, news, and stuff like that. But yeah, man, like I've been buying. I haven't sold any SHIB, to be honest. I haven't sold any SHIB. I've actually been accumulating bone. And I have you know, a little bit of bone now. Kind of mad because I bought when it was around 1.50, and it came down already like to 1.20, 1.10. But it's all good. I'm just gonna probably accumulate more. You know, if you believe in SHIB, definitely look at bone. Another thing too, Team Money, that I wanted to ask you. What's up with this other coin called Paul? Is that like officially part of Shiba Swap, or is it officially part of the Shibarium ecosystem? Paul, I don't know if they're saying that it should be coming out soon, or if it's already out. I'm not sure, but I definitely want to, you know, look into getting it. It's called Paul. GT says, Lewis, you think Algorand will get removed from Coinbase like XRP did? If it gets in the same, you know, if it gets in trouble like XRP did, you know, being a security and all that, most likely, you know, not just Algorand but a bunch of other ones. And it's funny you say that because you know, Coinbase is going through something right now where, you know, the SEC is going after them, you know, for putting, you know, certain coins on their exchange. So who knows, maybe it might. But again, if it happens to Algorand, you know, what about XLM and the other ones that are part of the ISO? God bless you, brother. Hey, Dreamer, thank you so much, man. God bless you. Going to go pray because I'm fasting. Be back soon, bro. Hey, Team Money, it's all good. Definitely go pray, man. God bless you. Where do you get your bone? So I actually bought bone on Bitkit, and that's another thing why I'm bullish on bone, because it's not really up on a lot of big exchanges. And it's literally part of SHIB. So look, SHIB is like ranked 13 or something. What is SHIB ranked? 14 in terms of market cap. It's in all the biggest exchanges. But Bone, which has connection with SHIB, is not on, you know, the big exchanges. I'll check right here for you. The biggest exchange here for Bone, or the biggest, let's check right here. So obviously we have Uniswap, we have Gate.io. I'll probably say Gate.io, Mexi, Bitkit, the bigger exchanges. But really, you know, not any huge exchange like Crypto.com or KuCoin or Coinbase, stuff like that. So I actually bought mine on Bitkit. If you want to use my affiliate link, you can use it in the link tree. It's a great app. SHIB has 5. Treat, Bone, Leash. Oh really? And these are all part of like the official Shibarium ecosystem. Like they're officially part of SHIB. Because what about Paul? Any views on Hobbs? What do you mean any views on Hobbs? Who's Hobbs? Who's Hobbs? I'm gonna go live too on TikTok, guys. Wait, before I go live on TikTok, guys, I just want to say, because I don't want to say when TikTok is up, because maybe they'll ban me for saying this, but I got this new app called Clapper, okay, and it's super, it's literally basically like TikTok with just some other features, but I definitely recommend it, because especially with this whole thing of banning TikTok, and this one is like, it's American based, so it's American owned. I'm pretty sure they're not as strict, like, you know, as strict on TikTok as TikTok, or as, you know, they probably don't collect all like crazy data like TikTok. So if you guys don't use TikTok because you're scared of it, you know, definitely check out the app called Clapper. I made my account, and man, there's a huge amount of, you know, people transitioning to this app. It's gaining a lot of followers recently, and I'm happy because I was able to get my username Sir Lewis. I don't have to have like Sir Lewis _ or something like that. So I was able to get my username Sir Lewis. So if you guys want to also follow me on there, and it's a great place. It's not like, you know, like TikTok is, right? It's I feel like the difference between Clapper and TikTok is that Clapper is more like authentic. People are like more authentic, and it's more organic. You get more organic likes, followers, and stuff like that. There's no bots. The algorithm definitely seems different. So definitely check it out. And if you want to follow me, it's Sir Lewis. Just search Sir Lewis on Clapper. You should be able to follow me. And what I like about Clapper too is it has like a group, messaging right on the app, which is like so on my bio it'll say Kingdom Trader HQ, and it'll be like a group that you can join. So if you want to join, definitely get the app. It's pretty good so far. Have heard of Paul, but I think there are 5. Paul Swap is decentralized exchange project set to launch on Shibarium network, bro. But heard their account got suspended on Twitter by new Twitter support. Wow, I didn't know that. That's crazy. And I heard that they're not even like their coin is still supposed to come out or something. I'm gonna check it out right here. But let's go live here on TikTok. Alright, let's go live on TikTok. I just don't like the way it looks. This is what I hear about TikTok, right? Like they don't give me the stream key unless I get to 10K. And it just looks bad because I have to like literally face my phone to my computer screen, and the webcam is just like weird. It's like, you know, because the blur. But it's all good. You know, we're live here on YouTube. Thank you for the super chat, guys. I really appreciate it. T Money and Crypto Dream. Especially during a tough time. Thank you so much, man. I follow you on Instagram, YouTube, and Telegram. Don't know much about Clap. Yeah, so Clapper is a very new app. It began in 2020, and recently it's been getting a lot of new people, you know, because of the TikTok ban. You know, if you don't like TikTok because it, you know, the banning and it's Chinese based and it collects your data and all that stuff, definitely check out Clapper because it's based in Texas, and it doesn't have the same algorithm. I'm pretty sure they don't collect as much data as the, you know, the other one does. But it's been growing so much, and if you want to be first to getting your username or something like that, definitely at least make an account if you want to be the first to get your username. I was lucky because I got my username Sir Lewis. I didn't have to put Sir Lewis underscore or something like that, so I was happy because of that. Hey, what's up, Crypto Dino Max? How you been, bro? I am first. Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. Thanks for being first here in the live stream. We're just talking about here in the markets. You know, I really haven't been buying anything. To be honest, I've just been buying like $20 of flux a day. You know, $20 of data. And so the 3 ones that I have been buying is data, and flux. And it hasn't really been a crazy amount. But I haven't like I bought like a decent amount when we dropped hard down here to like 19K, 20,000, and now I just been like chilling. I was actually looking to sell my pre-search. So if you guys didn't know, pre-search had an amazing pump, and if you guys are new, you know, follow me here for a while. I've been talking about pre-search nodes. You know, look into pre-search. Hey, what's up, Stars? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Appreciate you coming to the live stream, Stars. But basically pre-search, okay, has had an amazing rise. And man, I should have taken profits. I was actually contemplating, what is it? Thinking, well, whatever. I don't even know how to say the word right. I was actually thinking of taking profits on pre-search, and I should have, because I would have basically sold it at the top because it did dip down a decent amount. So right here, look at this. Pre-search up 36% on the weekly, and now on the daily it's down 14%. So it definitely came down. I should have taken profits, but it's all good. You know, I'm actually kind of sad that pre-search had this huge pump. You know, and you're probably saying like, why are you sad, you know, if you hold pre-search node and stuff like that? But it's mainly because I only hold one pre-search node, and I'm trying to get more and more during this bear market, and having these huge pump ups, it's just like basically now getting a pre-search node is double, right? So to get a pre-search node, you need 4,000 pre, and that's around 345, 48, and back when I got it, it was like 230. So it's not double. It was actually double 2 days ago when it had that pump, but it's a lot higher, right? Tap the screen, guys. Hey, thank you, Dino Max. What's up, Crypto Ballistics? Thank you for the 500 likes, guys, And thank you for the 3 likes on YouTube. Don't forget to like. It definitely helps out a lot. Thank you, everyone here. Do you think we will dump hard, possibly to 12, 15K? Man, I honestly think that we will. But, like, I'm still holding with my prediction in the beginning of 2023 in January. I put out a prediction. It was actually before 2023. But I put out a prediction video for 2023, what I think would happen. And it's like I'm still going with it. Like I'm still going with it. And basically what the prediction was that, you know, we'll probably slowly start to rise up, but we'll be kind of like in a range. And then something I said that there'll be a huge black swan event, which will then capitulate Bitcoin. Okay. And I'm still holding to that prediction. And I was actually pretty right on, because we did have a pretty big black swan, right, with the banks lately. But the thing is that it was actually opposite to Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a positive correlation with it. It didn't capitulate hard, you know. But I still think that there is going to be something big where Bitcoin does truly capitulate. And I feel like we're kind of similar to like the 2019, 2020 charts, where we're slowly starting to rise again, and then we're probably going to have a capitulation. The question is, when we do have that capitulation for Bitcoin, are we going to be breaking the all-time lows from the, you know, last year, 15,000, or is it going to go to like, you know, 18,000, 16,000, something like that? You know what I'm saying? Stars, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for the super chat, bro. I like that emoji. Can today get any better? The king himself streaming midday on such a beautiful day. Glad to be here, brother. Hey, Stars, I'm glad to be here too. I know I've been offered the last couple of days, and I'll be honest with you, I just, you know, been going through a lot, but it's all good, right? I love live streaming here. It really is a pleasure, and it's fun, and I really enjoy it. Our faces when the bull market hits. For sure, man. I can't wait. You know, the bull market is definitely coming. The question is, you know, whether next year, 2025, 2026, either way, like I'm still patient. I'm very patient. You know, if you're young, you're patient, you will definitely profit from this bear market, guys, for sure. The question is, you have to be up to date with everything what's going on with the coins that you guys are invested in. Let's say like you're invested in $3,000 into some coin. Well, throughout this bear market leading to the next bull market, you got to be invested in what, you know, their decisions, what they do. And I know it's a lot, but you know, this being invested in and being up to date on everything. And this is why I love to live stream, because I'll keep you guys up to date on all the projects that I'm at least invested in. Because let's say a project, you know, makes a bad decision, you know, or you start to see developers quitting or certain things happen. Well, that's gonna be your sign to, you know, maybe get out of that project, even if it's for a loss, right? Because things can change. And look, things can change for the better too, right? There could be projects out there that have zero utility, but behind the scenes are working to gain utility. And then boom, once they do, out of nowhere, you know, they pump like crazy. What do you think about XRP? I like XRP, Bobby. I think XRP is I know a lot of people hate it, but I think XRP is it's gonna be used. I'm neutral. I'm actually neutral in XRP. I don't know, like, I'm not gonna be out here and saying that it will be used, this and that, but I think that XRP is gonna be successful, even if they lose the case. I think even if they lose the case, which I think they actually will, I think they're gonna come back. They're gonna repeal it and then come back and win it later. How many months from now will Bitcoin be 1 million and have $50 invested? Well, the guy, right? The guy betted that, you know, Bitcoin will be 1 million in like 90 days or something like that. And I watched a video on it. I can see why he put this bet, but it's just like, you know, a big reason why he betted for 1 million Bitcoin in like 90 days or something. I actually watched the video in depth. It's because the banks right now are all over leveraged on bonds, and bonds are not, you know, profitable in the long term or something like that. And they're, you know, basically all of them are insolvent, right? The majority of them. And so he thinks that there's going to be this domino effect with the banks is going to get worse and worse, which is going to cause Bitcoin to go up like crazy somehow. Right? I know there's more details to it, but that's basically what he said. I agree. Black Swan will dump us hard, then we are off to the races. Bitcoin halving is next March. 4-year cycle is still in play. Wait, I thought the Bitcoin halving is in the beginning in January, or is it in March? No, isn't it in January? January 3rd? Let me know. Isn't the Bitcoin halving in January? Bitcoin up and down like yo, what's up? Yeah, what's up, D Shuffle? How you been? Appreciate you coming on here. Hey man, I'm glad to know you took some time for yourself. We all have personal things going on, and sometimes I just need a few days to ourselves. So don't stress on not streaming. We 100% understand. Hey Stars, man, appreciate it, man. You know, it's great to have, you know, people that follow you, you know, understand that, you know, when you take time off, you know, that they get it, right? You know, everyone has a personal life, problems, and every type of area in their life. So it's important to take time off, and even from social media too, right? You know, if you're constantly on your phone, like Instagram, and I'll be honest with you guys, I use my phone a lot, and I would say like the main places that I'm on my phone, like is on Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. Those are probably my main 3. I'm on YouTube a lot during my job, actually. Hey Stars, thank you so much for another super chat, bro. Thank you for all the hearts, man. Wow, you guys are amazing today. Thank you for all the super chats and support, guys. But yeah, if you guys are using a lot of screen time, definitely take time off. Please tell me you're bullish on Bitcoin. I am bullish on Bitcoin long term. I don't know about right now. I think we'll probably pull back, maybe. Right? I think we might pull back. If we do pull back, I think we might pull back to around 22.5, around here at some point. And then if we do hold that, I think that would be bullish, right? Because look, we're just creating higher highs. You see what I'm saying? So if we do pull back to possibly 22.5, that's gonna be very bullish if we keep that support range, right? So watch 22.5. That's my target right there. Lewis, the Bitcoin halving is in spring of 20. Oh wow, I did not know that. I thought, then why do people? Oh, okay, because I thought the Bitcoin halving was in January 3rd, because everyone says that, you know, it's Bitcoin's birthday or whatever, right? Like, don't people say Bitcoin's birthday is January 3rd? But I guess that's when it was like created or released or whatever. But I didn't know the halving was actually in the spring, in March. Wow. Awesome. I love fading crayon line cryptards. What will bring it back down to 12K? I honestly think a Black Swan event, but you know, it's part of my prediction. Like I think that we're in like a Wyckoff. I think we're in a Wyckoff, right? And there's many types of Wyckoffs, but I want to see where's the Wyckoff that I think that we're in. Because we could be in a Wyckoff right now and the bottom could be in, like this could be the spring, right? Because the Wyckoff has a section where we have the spring, basically where we spring from that price to the upside. So we could be in a Wyckoff where the bottom is in and this is the spring, right? Or we could be in a different Wyckoff where we still don't have that spring yet, which could be that, you know, 10,000, 14,000 range, right? Finally time to prime and paint my room today. Super stoked to get this room done. Aha. Hey, that's great, bro. What how's it been going, by the way, with you know, painting your room and everything? I'm the same, man. I need force to myself. I need to force myself to get off my PC and phone at times. It is low-key an issue. Yeah, same. I mean, there are pros and cons to it, right? Like, I do learn a lot when I'm on YouTube listening, or on even on TikTok. Like, I do learn a lot, and it's great, even for like entertainment wise, right? But you know, if you're trying to get things done and to take action, it definitely gets in the way. How can it have if no one has control of it? It's like automatic. It's like built into the blockchain aura. So it's like not like no one can stop it from happening. No one can change the happening. No one can do anything. Basically, when Bitcoin was created, you know, in the blockchain, I'm not too technical, so don't judge me. But basically, it does it automatically every 4 years, right? So it's not something that anyone can control, or like someone is like, oh, you know, these people that control Bitcoin are gonna have it in this time. No, it does it automatically based on the code and everything in the blockchain. Total banking collapse or a major black swan event. Feds are going after Binance and Coinbase. Yes, Firestarter, exactly. And look, I've been calling this out too. I called this out even before the stuff with Coinbase and all these things, because I watch a lot of channels and I also do research too on what's going on behind the scenes. And you know, I told you guys that they're gonna try to make it harder for people, retail, to buy crypto based on banks, and like banks are not going to connect to like exchanges and stuff like that anymore. Okay, and I literally received an email from Kraken saying that they're not gonna have ACH transfers anymore, and I was like, wow, look at that right there. And I've been calling this out for months now. And like just 3 days ago, I got an email from Kraken saying they're not having ACH transfers anymore because of whatever, you know, laws and all that stuff. So they're basically gonna make it harder for you guys to buy crypto, because in order to buy crypto, right, what's the number one thing we gotta do? We gotta connect our bank, or maybe you guys buy it differently, but you know, I buy by connecting my bank, and then you know, sending money over that way. And then for the exchanges that I don't connect, that don't have bank connection, I send the crypto from the exchanges that I do connect with the bank and I buy some there. And that's how I get money in those exchanges, right? But you know, a big reason for this is because, you know, all these banks that have been, you know, going down, they have a lot of correlation with crypto. So they're trying to use crypto as like a scapegoat in order to stop banks from having this connection. You know what I'm saying? They're trying to say, oh, these banks are collapsing because of crypto, and they have too much into crypto and all that stuff, right? Like Signature Bank and all these other ones. Bitcoin at the moment. What's up, Danks? Danksy. Definitely pull back because 28.5k is heavy resistance. We couldn't get 32. Yeah, definitely. I definitely think we will pull back, right? To be honest, we didn't even go into the range, so you can see right here. Look, I wouldn't be surprised if we do go into the range and stay in the range and then come back down. But this is a very important range right here, right? This right here. We didn't even, we rejected the bottom of the range, right? So we still didn't even go in the range. We rejected the bottom of the range, which is around 28,800. The room has been very well covered. The old outlets this morning, and after painting everything will be a domino effect of installing and will be done before no time. I don't think I have asked what are your thoughts on Cypherium. I e-transfer from my bank. Do you think they can prevent me from ever sending to Nasdaq to buy crypto? Index, I never heard of that exchange, so I can't say regarding that. Stars, Index. But I can definitely see a situation in the future where more exchanges stop having ACH bank transfers. So like I already got it with Kraken. So if you start seeing it with like, you know, other ones, that's your sign that most likely all the exchanges are not going to allow bank transfers anymore. So just know that, and also like have your crypto again in a cold wallet, right? You don't want to have your crypto in an exchange again, just in case anything happens. I can see we come down to be, well, and also regarding Cypherium, I saw this recent video. I forgot the guy, but he sold all of his Cypherium because certain details regarding that it might be a scam. So don't, especially since Cypherium had a huge pump, don't go all in on Cypherium. Don't, you know, go crazy on Cypherium, because there's certain things sketchy that people are saying that it's a scam. I haven't dug deep into it. I actually knew about Cypherium before this huge pump and regarding the Fed connection, but I actually didn't buy any, unfortunately. D Shuffle says definitely pull back. Crypto says I can see we come down to 24, then maybe one more leg up, and then we're coming down back down, I think. Crypto Billionaire, thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. How you been, man? And you're right. Something like that can happen, right? Something like that can happen where we do come down to 24. You can see Putin announced Russia will be using blockchain. They have partnerships with SBI. No, really? So Dinksy over at TikTok says Putin announced Russia will be using blockchain, and they have partnerships with SBI. I don't know what's SBI. SBI Holdings since 2019, which Ripple owns 40%. Oh wow, that's crazy. So Ripple owns 40% of them. These MFs best not take my transfers away. LOL. Man, yeah, I hope so. I hope so not too, right? Because what other way are we gonna be able to buy crypto? Through like ATM or, you know, peer-to-peer? Yeah, man. As always, not your keys, not your crypto. Oh damn, yeah, I haven't bought any yet. We'll definitely keep that in mind. Yeah, I haven't looked into it, but people are starting to say that there's sketchy things regarding Cypherium, which it might be a scam. So research Cypherium, because there's certain things that are coming out showing that it might be a scam. But you know, I have been accumulating. I'm happy that I've accumulated since the huge pump that we had, because there was a point in the spare market where I literally had, you know, especially after losing a lot in Celsius, I basically had like barely like no coins, like no crypto. And when Bitcoin was around, you know, that 19k, 20k, 21k range, I started buying. You know, I looked at the charts, I saw, you know, how we were literally at the top of the 2017 bull market, right? And I was like, you know what, this definitely looks like a good time to buy, right? Even though we dropped to 15k and everyone thought it was the end of the world. So I'm happy I at least have some, you know, holdings. Because look, I didn't have any holdings of Cardano, XLM, you know, Dogecoin, Shiba, XRP, a couple other ones. Or I had like really low, because I sold most of it. But ever since then, I just been accumulating. And I like, at the moment, I have a comfortable, decent amount in which, like, if we do pump up like crazy and we have altcoin season, like, I'll be very happy. And if we do dump down like crazy, like, I'll be sad, obviously, but it's not like all my money, right? It's not all your money. Yes, crypto ATMs can help with privacy as well. Yeah. So that's another way, right? Crypto ATMs. If there's no way to buy crypto with your bank anymore, right? Connecting your bank. I know there's crypto ATMs for Bitcoin, even though they might have fees, right? It's definitely great for privacy, because you can literally just put in your cash, put in your, you know, Bitcoin address or whatever, and then boom, right? So I think crypto ATMs are great, and a lot of them actually do have KYC, but some of them don't. Back, bro. Hey T Money, thanks for being back, bro. How was your prayer? Just looking at the chart, I see the cup and handle, also an M pattern. Yeah, we can see right here in the chart, right? You might have like a cup and handle, and also like an M pattern. Also, if you look, let's get this downtrend right here. So this is another reason why I bought. You know, when a couple days ago when we were like at 19,000, not even a couple weeks ago, or about a week ago or something, when we came down crashing to 19,000, I want to show you guys here why I was buying and many more other people were buying here. And it's very simple. Look, you see right here the all-time high, right? All-time high, then we have another huge lower high. Well, guess what? After we break out of it, right, we test it, we bounce off of it. Guess what? We're gonna test it again, and that's exactly what happens. We come down to it to look how accurate that is, guys. Look, technical analysis does work. Okay, if it doesn't work, how come we're bouncing off of this huge downtrend that connects the two, you know, the all-time high and then the lower high, right? It connects both of these two, and then right here you can see after we flip it, after we break this downtrend, we test it twice, 1, 2. So this is a big reason why I was buying here around 19,000, 20,000, because I saw this, that we were testing this for a second time, and then boom, right? Big pump. So just to show you guys here for future times, banks are not allowing people to buy crypto. Will force people into yes. I don't even want to say that because I might get blocked. But basically, their goal is to force people into this digital dollar, right? That's what they're trying to do. Fidelity started doing crypto. Yeah, I heard Fidelity, a huge platform, right, for stocks, Roth IRAs, and all that. They're allowing people to invest into Bitcoin, into their Roth IRA, right? Into their, I don't know if yeah, I'm pretty sure, because if it's allowed on there, they probably allow it to people to invest in it. So look, if you guys are long-term Bitcoin and you don't have a Roth IRA yet, you can literally buy Bitcoin, and I'm pretty sure Ethereum too, into your Roth IRA, and then in the future, right, you can take that out tax-free. Obviously, it's when you're older, a lot older. But hey, right, another one thing too, guys, that many people don't know about Roth IRAs is the fact that, let's say you do buy stocks or Bitcoin or Ethereum in your Roth IRA, and you're trading it, and you're making like a, you know, let's say you made a 10K trade, like a profit. The thing is, you can take your initial out without, you know, tax-free. So let's say you put in 10K in Bitcoin, and then you make 10K. So Bitcoin, you know, you got 20K worth of Bitcoin, you made 10K profit. You can take that 10K out if you need to, tax-free. You just can't take out the 10K profit. That will be taxed a lot if you take it out early. But once you reach a certain age, I forgot what it was, 59 and a half or something, then you could take that out tax-free. That's one thing that many people don't know about Roth IRAs, just so you guys know. Look at regular XRP, then XRP USDT, that 3 short. Is it a good time to short? Google World Bridge Currency and look what pops up. Yeah, I'll definitely Google that. Let me check it out. Yeah, Francine, I think we will. My target right here for Bitcoin, for where I might, if we do come down here to 22.5, this target right here, I will definitely be buying altcoins, because I'm pretty sure they will drop too, right? So if you do make a lower high right here, or we're trying to hold this, that's my target right there, 22.5. So let's search here, World Bridge Currency. Wow, look at that. So I just searched here, World Bridge Currency. The digital currency XRP acts as a bridge currency to other currencies. It does not discriminate between any fiat cryptocurrency, which makes it easy for any currency to be exchanged for one another. Wow, so even Google showing you that, which is insane. I'll be right back. Gonna grab paintbrushes real fast. Krish, yeah, bro, I remember you. How you been, man? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Man, Uncle Sammy greedy as hell. Yeah, man, it's insane. Isn't it crazy to you guys that we live in a world where you know, people are getting taxed 40% and are just like whatever, right? People getting taxed 40%. And it's funny, like back in the American Revolution, people are getting taxed, right? Taxation without representation, and you know, that's what created the American Revolution and independence. But now people are getting taxed 40% of their income in so many different ways. There's tax for literally everything, right? Like so many types of taxes. Like you don't even own your home, right? With property taxes and all that, people don't even own their home. But this is what I also say, guys, is like, when you guys make huge amounts of money, next bull run, right, and this huge wealth transfer happens, you know, and you have a lot of money, look into buying foreign land, right? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your property in one country. Don't buy all your property in one country. Look into buying land, property in other countries, especially that are very pro freedom, right? And you know, pro crypto. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of countries out there, like, you know, Portugal, Dubai, El Salvador, another one. I really like what El Salvador is doing. You know, their president is doing it. Actually, something came out where El Salvador's crime rate dropped 50%, which is insane. I'm pretty sure a couple months ago you saw that picture with El Salvador and all the criminals that had like the same tattoos. What was it, like, I forgot their gang name, but all of them were like captured and put in jail and all that. It's crazy, right? It is great. It's great for El Salvador, and it definitely attracts more people because nobody wants to be living in a high crime area, right? So yeah, music, white, painting, no crypto hangout music. Hey stars, thank you, man. I gotta paint my office too in the future. Looks kind of. I actually do have I have wallpaper right here, but I prefer doing painting. Just a lot better. You lying? I am Keto Walla. I have changed my name. Really? Oh, or maybe it's someone else that has because I remember Singh or Krish. I remember it, and your profile definitely looks. Let me see. It looks very familiar. So maybe it's someone else that had one of those names. But Keto Walla, thank you, bro. Thanks for coming back to the live stream. Taxation without representation. Say it again, broski. Yes, yeah. Like I still feel like we still have taxation without representation, honestly, and I'll tell you why. Right, so people are getting taxed 40%. Obviously, like the high earners, but I feel like the taxes are going to things that are based on the political party, right? In the White House, and basically a lot of the places where the taxes are going to, we don't have a lot of control. I know we vote for certain things, but it's just like I'm pretty sure a lot of those taxes are going to bad places, to people, to politicians and all that. Because let's say if we do have all those taxes going through good things, like the roads and all these things, I feel like it would be way better, right? I don't feel like I feel like 10% of the taxes are going towards like the roads and these other things in America, and like the rest are going towards bad, the hands of bad people. You see what I'm saying? Because I'm pretty sure there's certain laws that taxes go to politicians and groups and stuff like that. But again, I don't want to get too deep into that. And a big reason for that too is the new taxing system that Republicans are making, which is like no more filing taxes, and basically the taxes are only going to be like sales tax, I guess, where you pay taxes when you buy or sell, I think. I know there's some other things to it, but man, I feel like that would be way better, because having all these taxes is just so confusing, and you got to have an accountant, and you got to file your taxes, and all these things, right? We definitely need like a automatic system where we just get the taxes just go in as soon as we buy or sell or whatever. Can you take a look at Aura coin chart and tell me if it's a good time to buy? Yeah, I'll definitely check it out, bro. Short Bitcoin right now, bro. Evening Star on weekly. Yeah, I've been talking about that. I'm not too bullish on Bitcoin right now, and it's a big reason why I haven't been buying anything the last basically this entire week. Where ever since Bitcoin had a huge pump to like 27K, I really haven't been buying a lot of anything. But yeah, I'll definitely check out Aura. See here, Aura. I don't even know how to say the name. Aurora. This one? Yeah, okay, I think I found it. Also, it is on Coinbase. Yeah, I mean, I think looking at the chart, I think it's at a risky time to buy, but there's a lot of support right here, right? This is a huge floor level. I mean, we can definitely go lower. I would say if we do drop here to 17 cents, 17.40, right? 17.40, 17.48. I think that might be a good time to buy. But even right now, right, we can have a push up here, because look, there's a lot. You see this range right here? There's a lot of support here, especially since back here in January we did have we consolidated and we had a big push up. So I think this might be another push up here again if the crypto markets are bullish in the next coming weeks or days. But I think this is a good time to start accumulating if you're bullish on this coin, obviously. Hey, what's up, Carrie? How you been, Carrie? I saw your comment yesterday asking if I was going to live stream. Appreciate you, supporting me in my channel, Carrie. Hi, can you go live later also? Yes, I'll be live later also. I'm actually gonna get it live. I'm gonna get off in a few to watch the England game, but I'll definitely be live also later in the evening, so definitely don't miss out that live stream. I also have a video coming out. I was gonna put it out today, but heck, I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow. It's gonna be a big video, basically called the best air-gapped cold wallet, Keystone versus EliPal. I'm basically compare both of them in all the details. So if you guys are looking to get a cold storage wallet, or maybe you want to get like a secondary cold storage wallet, which I definitely recommend, these two wallets are air gapped, basically meaning that they don't connect to the internet and they don't connect to Bluetooth. They send crypto by a QR code. Okay, and basically I compare both of them. So EliPal versus Keystone wallet, my video, I'll probably put it out tomorrow in the evening. I was gonna put it out today, but I'll upload it tomorrow in the evening. Do not miss it. I went in depth in the video. So yeah, every country but the US is into crypto, I swear, lol. I wouldn't say that. I mean, I think there's a lot of, like, China is very anti-crypto or anti-Bitcoin, right? They banned Bitcoin mining so many times. But I definitely agree the fact that there's many other countries out there that are more pro-crypto than the US, especially since the last couple of weeks, right? With the US showing anti-crypto, showing more of an anti-crypto attitude. Easy 10x on Cannon Candle. XRP is about to print on the 1 daily and 1 weekly charts. Are you bullish on XRP in the short term? Thank you. Anytime, Sammy. And guys, follow me on YouTube as well. You guys can watch all my videos on YouTube and live streams. Put your assets in a trust. Don't own anything. Control everything. I saw another YouTuber saying that the volume into Bitcoin is at all-time highs. Do you see that in according to the technical analysis? So you're saying that the volume to Bitcoin is at all-time highs? Yeah, let me actually get it, because I do have an indicator here that has volume that I created. And again, if you guys want to get my indicators, you guys can get it in my Patreon. You know, on the daily, I feel like volume has dropped a lot. You can see right here, right? But on the weekly, it is very, very high. So on the weekly, volume is very high, but on the daily, it's very low, right? Volume right here, I can see volume with the white, right? So volume dropped a lot, especially here on the daily. So I want to say volume is crazy in the Bitcoin right now. I think in the last couple weeks, yes, regarding the banking crisis, mainly because also CZ, right? CZ literally said that he was putting a lot of the Binance reserves into buying Bitcoin, and this caused a lot of the volume. And this is another thing too, guys. Like, don't think that, you know, Bitcoin rising like this is we're gonna go into another altcoin season. And, you know, you saw that all coins really didn't react in correlation with Bitcoin, right? There's Bitcoin dominance is super high right now in the last coming weeks, and a big reason for that is CZ pumping into the markets. I'm pretty sure other big players too. Beat says, hey Lewis, been a while, man. Hope you and your family are good. Even though I've not joined the live stream much due to time zone differences, I'm always posting in the Discord Bitcoin chat. Hey Beats Nation, man, I appreciate you posting in the chat on Discord. And it's all good, man. It's all good. I know, you know, time zone differences for everyone. That's why I'm live streaming right now. You know, it's 12 p.m. here in the United States, so maybe, you know, for a lot of you guys it might be better. But I'll be on live later too. But man, I appreciate you just being, you know, active on the Discord. And for a lot of you guys on the Discord, I basically changed here. The Crypto HQ is basically like a forums page, and it just looks so much cleaner, because instead of having all those chats where it's like so long, you just go over here to Crypto HQ, and boom, right here you got, you know, all of these are basically like a group chat. Basically, they're like forums. So right here, you want to talk, you want to put Bitcoin news, you want to share Bitcoin videos, any Bitcoin news, click on Bitcoin, boom, right? And Cosmos chat, I got XRP. So I feel like that's a lot cleaner than having all those chats on the Discord. But appreciate you being active in the Discord, bro. I'm short-term bearish, yes. Is the crypto machine out yet? What crypto machine are you talking about? The creator of QR codes is beyond wealthy, I swear. Alright, who created the QR codes? I wonder who created QR codes. And does he even, like, he probably does, right? Does he profit from like all the QR codes? So Lewis, so weird, bro. I just watched a video of yours on YouTube, and now I just ran into your live. Wow. Look at that. Taylor Gang over on TikTok says that he watched a video of me on YouTube and he ran into my live stream on TikTok. That's insane. That's crazy, man. And I don't even have that many followers on TikTok. So, man, I appreciate you watching my videos and coming here to my live stream, bro. Can you look at Baby Dogecoin and Vault Inu V2 charts on TradingView under just crypto charts, no exchange? Yeah. And speaking about those two, I do own both. I have both of those. Not a crazy amount, but a decent amount. That one does 2 coins at the same time. It is, bro. Crazy AF. I watched a video where you reviewed the LE Powell wallet. Really? Look at that, Taylor. So Taylor found my video with the LE Powell wallet review. It's funny, Taylor, again, because I was just talking about that. I have a video coming out tomorrow where I talk about the Keystone versus the LE Powell, the best air-gapped cold storage wallet, and I have it coming out tomorrow. So do not miss it. It's gonna be huge, because the Keystone and the LE Powell are both air-gapped wallets. They both have touchscreen. They have a webcam. But wow, man, I appreciate you finding my channel, you know, and my TikTok. And man, I'm telling you, like, making those videos, those review videos, definitely pays out because it reaches out to many different people, right? So I definitely will make, you know, videos not just for wallets, but also for like coins. I made a video for like Filecoin, and it reached out to many new people too. So, you know, I'm gonna be making more videos. And it's hard. Like, it's hard being a crypto content creator during this bear market, guys, because comparing to what I was getting on YouTube during the bull market versus now, it's not even close, right? But again, like, I still do this. I still live stream. I still make videos because I really enjoy crypto and making videos and creating a community here, you know, on YouTube, TikTok, Discord, wherever. So, you know, this is a great thing too for creators, because the creators that quit, the creators that don't make more content, the creators that just, you know, they were just in it for the money, right? They were just in it for the crypto hype and all that. What should I buy tonight? I mean, I don't know, man. I haven't been buying that much ever since this huge pump to 27K, to be honest. We'll definitely watch it. I'm currently in the market for a wallet. Oh, really? Yeah, man. I mean, the wallets that I have is the Ledger, the LE Powell, and the Keystone. I love the Ledger. So the Ledger, what's cool about the Ledger is that it has a wide variety of coins. You can connect it to MetaMask. It's not as user friendly, but I think the new Ledger is pretty user friendly. The stacks, I haven't looked into that one. I'm gonna see if I can get, you know, partnership with them so I can make a review video for the new Ledger wallet. But if, like, I have a Ledger, and I would definitely, having a Ledger or Trezor, it's definitely worthwhile to get a secondary wallet, especially if it's like air gapped, because it's just, it gives you another level of security, right? Not connecting to the internet or Bluetooth, especially since it's it has other coins that the Ledger doesn't have. Like the LE Powell has Theta, also XDC, right? And the Keystone, I feel like the Keystone is super secure. And I saw other review videos on it, and it's just like, one of the cool things that I like about the Keystone is the fact that people are trying to tamper with it, right? Basically trying to open it and hack it to get your seed phrase. It has a anti-destruction mechanism that works really well. Basically, if they try to do that, it basically self-destructs some way and how in the wallet. And again, as long as if you have your seed phrase, you're good, right? I found you on YouTube and set notifications when you're on. Wow, Scott, thank you so much, man. Thank you for all the ones that have the notifications on. You guys are the real OGs. You guys are awesome. Appreciate everyone that have notifications on YouTube or on TikTok. The Ledger is nice. I just don't like the tiny screen. Yeah, the ledger is just very like the amount of time that it took me to set up my Keystone and EliPal was like 1/4 of the time that it took to set up my ledger, right? Hey Sir Lewis, how's it going? Hey Doctor and Lawyer, how you been, bro? How you been, Doctor and Lawyer? Thanks for coming to the live stream. The new ledger stacks are the new ledger stack is very user friendly because it's a huge upgrade from the recent ledger, right? But it's kind of pricey though. I think it's like over $200. But one thing too regarding ledger too, guys, is like you don't want to be connecting all these exchanges, all these wallets to like centralized things. You want to have your, once you get your wallet, you just want it to be like just a wallet. You don't want to connect it to anything. So if Ledger has like third-party extensions like swaps and stuff like that, I wouldn't look to use that personally, just because there might be like an exploit or something like that. I don't know, I'm not too technical, but I just don't like, especially like I think the Ledger allows you to connect to Coinbase, or they have like a card and stuff like that. I honestly don't like that. But again, you don't have to use those things. How do you know what coins a wallet holds? Great question by Burke, and I talk about this in my video coming out tomorrow. But basically, every cold storage wallet has a website, and in that website you can find a coin list. You just search coin list and the wallet that you want, and they'll have in the website they'll have a section where it has the coin list, and it shows all the coins that wallet supports, and you can search it up in that coin list section of the website. So yeah, I've been good. I bought 5 Litecoin. I might hold it for the next bull run, but I don't know. Yeah, I have a little bit of Litecoin too, not 5, but I think I got like around 2 point something. And I've been mining Litecoin too with my mini Doge miners. I've been mining Litecoin. That's another thing too, guys. If you guys are into crypto cash flow, crypto passive income, definitely look to join the Discord. I've been I'm gonna keep you guys up to date here on the live stream, how much I'm making a month. This first month of March is gonna be the first time. I don't know if I should make a video on it, but I'm gonna see how much I make a month from all my crypto cash flow nodes, miners, and we're gonna look and see how much I made. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that and invest it in more nodes, more miners, and basically, you know, compound for more crypto passive income assets, right? Again, you guys want to invest in assets, not liabilities, right? You want to invest in assets such as real estate, certain real estate, right? Nodes, miners, basically anything that gives you profit, that, you know, which your money is working for you. And what a big mistake that people make is like they'll look at an asset and they'll see that it's like just generating, like it'll generate them like really low in the beginning, but those people have it wrong, because over time it compounds, and it's always going to be making them money, right? Versus a liability, which is going to be taking money away from them. Hey Lewis, you need to check out a wallet called Engrave Zero. Have you heard about it? No, I've never heard about it. Engrave Zero. I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out. Do you think 225 billion baby Doge or 234 volt is enough? Man, let me check how much. Let me check right here. How much money is that? How much? So you said 205. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I forgot. I think it's like 5. Is that like around 500 or something? I think that's a good amount, to be honest. I don't have as much as that into Baby Doge or Vault, but I think that amount is good. Because if they are successful, they're gonna explode like crazy, right? Baby Doge and Vault Inu, and they're showing a lot of good signs. They have had a huge pump over the last months, right? And I made a decent profit with it. I still haven't sold any of my profits, but I made a really good amount of profit from those two, Vault and Baby Doge. If it helps anyone, I've used Doge and XLM to swap for XRP on Ledger. Oh wow, look at that. I didn't know you could actually do that. So Shuffle just said that he used Dogecoin and XLM to swap for XRP on Ledger. How was it like? Was there a huge fee to swap for XRP, or was it just like fine? And like, how did you swap it? Did you swap it using the Ledger user interface, or was it like a 1inch connected to Ledger, or like a third-party app? Shuffle, if you don't mind sharing. I still don't know how to get XDC. You can get XDC on KuCoin. And I think the only cold wallet I think that supports XDC is EliPal at the moment. But you can get XDC on KuCoin. Bitcoin prediction coming weeks. I think we'll start to come down. My target is 22.5, so if you do come down to 22.5, that's my main target, of which I'll start buying more. Because if we do hold that, we're going to be very bullish. What kind of miners do you have? Great question by Taylor. So at the moment, Taylor, I have 5 miners, mini miners. I have 2 Doge mini miners and 3 HS miners that mine HNS or Sia coin. And at the moment, I have them mining Sia coin. And then my Doge mini miners, it mines mainly Dogecoin, but also a little bit of Litecoin. And what I love about these miners, guys, is the fact that it's so freaking easy to set up, and it's passive. Like every single week, I earn like around $5, $6, $7, like around $6 every week or so. I don't know how much it is monthly, but you know, people might look at that and say, "Wow, that's very low," and you're like, I don't even think it's profitable at the moment. I think it's like break even because of like the electricity cost. But I live like I get a decent amount for I don't pay like a crazy amount for electricity, and especially if you do like solar, you know, definitely look into mining. It's just really great, especially with these mini miners. It's just super easy. It's passive, and when you set it up, right, once it reaches a certain threshold, it sends it out to your wallet, and then you're able to sell it or just hold it. And really, my plan is, Taylor Gang, my plan is to build on my crypto cash flow assets, not just miners, but I have nodes. I bought a pre-search node for $230. Now it's like $390. And this pre-search node, basically, I get like $9 worth of pre-search every single month. I think it went up to like $18 now because of the huge pump. So it's probably like around $14, $15. So for that $230 monthly, I'm getting around $10 to $15, right? Which again, I can keep the pre-search or I can sell it. But what people don't understand is, guys, that like these nodes, these miners, during the bull market, like a Doge mini miner costs like $1,000, and a lot of these cost like over $1,000. Now it's like 300 less, right? And I bought my Doge mini miners at like 230, 250. And big reason for that is because obviously the markets, and it's not profitable anymore, or it's like break even. But my plan is to invest into the best time to invest into it's funny because the best time to invest into miners, nodes, or whatever is when they're like basically not profitable or break even, because that's the best time in terms of price, right? They're not going to be $1,000+ dollars. They're going to be super low. And you know, my plan is to build that up for next bull market. So next bull market, I can be earning passively through my miners, my nodes. And let me tell you, like, people in last bull market, they were making $2,000+ like basically what you make in a regular job monthly from their crypto cash flow assets, from either miners or nodes. You can also consider staking too, but they were making like crazy amount, right? And that's really my plan. Like, I want to be in a position where I'm making more than my regular job monthly, just from my investments into miners, nodes, for next coming bull market. And it's very risky. A lot of people call it like spec mining, right? Because a lot of these projects might die, right? They might not survive. But I'm doing my research. So yeah. Where do you buy it at? eBay. Great question. Zach asked, where do I buy my miners at? So recently I bought the AHS miners. I got an amazing deal on Gold Shell's website. So which is the official website. They had a flash sale, and I made a TikTok on this. And I actually got banned on TikTok Livestream for talking about this, but they had a flash sale for 3 HS miners, which at the moment is like $200 for $400. So you basically buy 2, get 1 free. And I got that deal on Gold Shell's website. So I got, 3 HS miners for $400, and one of them costs like $200 at the moment. And then my Doge Mini, I bought both of them on this app called Mercari, which is kind of similar to eBay, but it's easier to use. And I got them both for like around $250. I'm trying to find another safe moon similar to pump roughly $300 to $24K. Yeah, man, like I think Baby Doge, Volt Inu, I would say other ones too, are right, if you're into these low cap coins. Let me see here. I bought WikiCat. I think WikiCat might be one similar. But I have here my coin watch list. If you guys want to get my coin watch list, you can join my Patreon. But here my coin watch list. I would say here, definitely look into WikiCat. Is this one right here, WikiCat, WKC. So WikiCat is one of them. Another one too is a Web5 Inu. This one. And again, these are very low cap coins, right? So do your research. Do you day trade? I don't day trade consistently, but I do trade like here and there, and I do chart a lot. How long does it take to get your money back using those miners? Great question. So basically the ROI, right? To be honest, a big reason why the miners dropped from like over 1,000 plus to like 300 less is because of that, right? Because when the coins come down, like Dogecoin, Litecoin, or Cadena too, right? It's less profitable. So you're basically at break even, or you're barely profitable. If you take out the electricity cost. But I don't know what it is at the moment. I know it's a long time, probably like 1 year plus, right? But I have been like, what I'm basically doing is I'm taking the money that I get from these miners, and not counting obviously the electricity cost, but I'm taking all the money that I make from these miners and I'm compounding it to either get more miners or more nodes, so I can have more assets. So when the next bull market comes, this can be yielding me even more, right? And yeah, I mean, right now it's not profitable, to be honest. It's not profitable at all, and it's probably like 1 year plus to get your money back from the miners, like from the mining. If you take out if you take out electricity costs. If you don't take, like, I basically, for my one Doge Mini miner at the moment, I've basically been making like, I gotta check my wallet to see how much I made. I'm gonna be making videos on YouTube talking about how much I made a month with all my miners and stuff. So definitely follow me on YouTube. But both of my Doge mini miners, I've basically been making $40 to $30 a month, I would say, without taking the electricity cost. And I got both of them for $230 or $250, and I've been making around $30 to $40 a month worth of Dogecoin and Litecoin. And then my other one, my 3 HS miners, I just got them March 6th, and I basically been making like $5 a week, basically around $5 a week in Sia coin. You can mine some coins from your phone, I heard. Yeah, I think you can. I've actually been mining Pi ever since it came out, but it's really like, it's like cloud mining, right? So it's not like, it's not doing anything to your power or anything like that. It's like cloud, it's mining in the cloud. But the ones that do mine on your phone for, like, you know, it's usually like very low profitability. I don't even know how to say it, but it's very low. Like, if you're looking into mining and you're like new into mining, I definitely will look into like the mini miners, either the Doge, the Cadena. There's a CK Box, Nervos. There's a Sia coin. There's the HNS. There's the library. There's a couple other ones. What other ones too? Those are mainly the popular ones. Those mini miners. And during the bull market, they were like over 1,000 plus. And if you do have, you know, another bull market, like for example, the Doge Mini Miner 2 that just came out, it's like around $500 right now. You know, if you have the bull market in the next coming years, that I can definitely see that over like $3,000 a miner. That's if Dogecoin and Litecoin does well, obviously. But again, it goes for Cadena too. Decent fees. XLM swap to XRP gives better bang for your buck. Third-party app to do the swap. It was a little bit weird swapping XLM for XRP because it doesn't show up in my swap history, but I have it. Wow, that's great. So look at that. D-Shuffle just says that you can swap XLM or Dogecoin for XRP on Ledger. And he says that XLM is probably the best choice because of the fees. Snip says, I got 875 Arbitrum from the airdrop. All I did to get it was transact $15 worth of ETH to Arbitrum Ethereum. I sold 875 Arbitrum when it was at $1.40 per token. Made over $1,000. Wow. So Sniff made over $1,000 this bear market for transacting $15 worth of Ethereum to Arbitrum in the latest airdrop. That is amazing, man. And man, why didn't you share this in the Discord, man? Why did you, like, I wasn't part of the Arbitrum airdrop. But man, I wish somebody would have told me about it. But congrats, man. I'm really happy for you. I'm really happy you made $1,000, right? With a airdrop in the Sparrow. And what's Arbitrum right now? What's the price at right now? What's up, Mr. Fruity? Yes, epic gains for sure, right? Guys, there's another one too. Like, there's Z-Sync. Don't miss out on this next airdrop. Right? Where is it? There's one here. I don't think it's too late either. Z-Sync. What's it called? Z-Sync. ZK Sync or something. It's kind of similar to Arbitrum where you just transact like $15 worth of something. But this is another airdrop to not miss, guys. ZK Sync. Oh no, token airdrop is live already? No way. Is it out already? So it's, oh my gosh. I was literally about to do this. So it's already out now. The ZK Sync airdrop. Let's check right here. How are you eligible for the ZK Sync airdrop? Proceed to claiming process. So I don't know what the requirements are. You just gotta connect your MetaMask, but I guess I missed that one too. I was literally about to do that one yesterday. I should have done it. I'm stoked for the video. Hey Stars, thank you so much, man. I can't. Tomorrow my video is coming out. Ellie Powell versus Keystone in-depth review. By the end of the video, you should get understanding of which one is better and which one you should want to get to. But they're both pretty good. They just have big differences. I think Arbitrum is around 1.30 now. I actually forgot about it until this YouTuber uploaded a video showing us how to claim it. Oh wow! So you sold at a pretty good price at them. I mean, even if it goes up to $2, like you still made, $1,000 in the bear market by just transacting $15, right? That's amazing, because you can use that $1,000 to buy other coins that you're more interested in. You gotta be quicker than that. I know D-Shuffle, it's just a lot of stuff going on. But I'm gonna be more into airdrops. Looking into and Sniff, if you I know you're big into airdrops. If there's any that you're doing, any that's in your radar, definitely share it in the Discord. I know you're in the Discord. I have an airdrops. I'm gonna make an airdrops chat. Yeah, I'll make like an airdrops chat somewhere over here. I actually have it right here, airdrop alerts, but I'll move it up. Okay. So, look, on the airdrop alerts, I'm gonna make it so anyone can comment. So I'm gonna go right here. Send messages. Okay. So look, in the airdrop alerts, I made it so anyone can comment. So in the Discord, there's an airdrop alerts section. And if you guys are into any airdrop, like you were, Sniff, with Arbitrum, definitely share it. So we can, everyone can be in the latest news. I think there's an airdrop for Quasar on Cosmos. Oh, okay, Quasar. I'll check it out. Let me share here. Yeah, so I'm gonna be more into airdrops. And I'll also share too. I'll share with the ones that I'm looking into. And I'll share it in the airdrop alerts and the Discord. Damn it, we're on the road right now and I lost service for a bit. LOL. Anyways, glad I ran into you again. I'll see you later, Lewis. Keep the content coming. Taylor, thank you, bro. Thank you for finding my YouTube and TikTok. Appreciate you, bro. LOL, I used $1,000 to buy more guns. That's definitely a good choice right there. For sure. T-Money says, I think it's a good time to accumulate liquidity. Check the chart, bro. 100 million supply and it's a DeFi. Yeah, I remember you talking about this coin last time. And I've seen a lot of good things regarding this coin, liquidity. Yeah, and you're right. Look, liquidity is literally right here at its huge support range, right? You can see that it's coming down to this huge support range. So right now might be a good time to get into this coin. It might even come down here to 1.90, but if it is bullish, it will hold this. And I think it looks like it will definitely hold this, right? Because this is exactly where we we basically bounce off twice here. And we've been holding this range here for liquidity. So yeah, thank you T-Money for sharing with us. And you guys, look, ever since this huge pump to 27k, above 26k, the only thing that I've been buying, and I've been buying like really low, like $20 a day. But basically what I've been buying is Flux, Data, like data, I don't know how you say it, either Data or Data, or Streamer. So I've been buying Flux, Streamer, and Data. Those are the three coins I've been buying. Really low amounts too, like $20, $50. Mainly because I want to get their node. and you need 1,000 flux for a node. You need a certain amount for a streamer node, and for theta you need 1,000 theta. So I've just been accumulating that. But the other coins that I've been buying, I haven't been buying that much of, that I bought the last coming weeks. Like XLM, XRP, SHIB, Bone. I should probably buy more Bone because it did drop a lot. Let's check right here my watch list. Let's see what coins here my watch list dropped the most on the weekly. Another coin too here, Presearch. I have a Presearch node, and I'm so happy I bought before this recent pump, because Presearch pumped 31% on the weekly. Okay, I've been talking to you guys about Presearch so many times. Do not sleep on Presearch. So let's check right here. So look at Cypherium down 39%. Again, I'm gonna unfavor Cypherium because I think that there's a lot of red flags regarding them, and people saying that it's a scam. But I'm gonna look more into that. So, and again, if you guys want to access my private coin watch list, you guys can access it in the Patreon. Let's see right here. The coins that are down the most on the weekly. So this is how I usually buy. Like, I look at the coins that are down the most, and that's how I buy. So we have render token down 20% to 1.20. I feel like I have a decent amount of render token already. Gala, so I might buy some more Gala. Gala's down 18% on the weekly, a decent amount. Gala, Conflux, Vault down a lot as well, and LCX, my bad. Definitely look into LCX, guys. ACH, Alchemy Pay. I almost said Alchemy Pray. Veracity. I'll probably buy more Veracity if it goes down. If it goes to 0.005, I might buy more Veracity. But these are just some of the coins here that are in my watch list, which I do update frequently. You still believe in SHIB, bro? Yes, I definitely believe in SHIB. T-Money is a big Shiba Inu fan as well. But I believe in the Shibarium. I think it's gonna be very, very good for SHIB long term. What's up, Lewis? Hope all is well. What's up, Aquafish? How you been, bro? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream, man. Jesse, hey, what's up, Jesse? Thank all of you guys to come here. I remember you guys from the live streams before. I haven't been on because I took some personal time. But I'm back here live streaming here in Crypto Hangout episode 40. I can't believe it's episode 40 already. What do you think Bitcoin gonna do? I think Bitcoin might slowly come down to 22.5. So watch that target. If in the next coming weeks Bitcoin is around 22.5, that's where I'll probably buy more certain altcoins, because I'm pretty sure they'll dump a lot. But if we hold 22.5, I think it's going to be very bullish. If you believe in SHIB, you have to believe in Bone. Yeah, I've been accumulating Bone. I've been taking this time to accumulate more Bone, especially with the big drops. So I never had Bone before, and ever since this huge drop, I've been accumulating more Bone. But I'm super happy I didn't get into Bone when it was above $2, right? I think it fell down to 1.20 cents or something. You still have fine for Sui Network airdrop? Let me check. So Sui Network airdrop, I don't know if that airdrop is I gotta see here. I don't know where to go to see if that airdrop is still airdrop alert. Oh, okay, so there's this website called Airdrop Alert. Let's see if they share here. It doesn't say the time, so maybe there is still time, right? How do you find drops? How does it work? So there's certain websites, like this website called Airdrop Alert. And there's other websites too. I'll be updating you guys in the Discord when we do have airdrops. But this website too is pretty good. New airdrops. dropping lower than 25k IMO. I think Bitcoin will drop to 25,100 before going higher. You think 25,100? Possibly, right? If it does drop to 25,100, which is around here, that would be very bullish because we're basically retesting. You're right. I think it definitely is coming down here because look, usually when we have a huge rise above, this is the 100 EMA, the 100 weekly. My bad, the 200 weekly. So this is the 200 weekly, which we rejected twice. What's gonna happen? We're gonna come back down here and test it again. You see that? At some point, and that price point is gonna be around 25k, around 2,500. So I definitely agree with you on that, right? What I think we're gonna, I don't think we're gonna hold it and then slowly come down here to test 22.5. But again, we can definitely hold it, and we'll probably stay flat by it for a while, trying to make it a support. So 25,500, basically wherever that 200 weekly MA is, this red line is very key. The 200 weekly MA, because again, look, what is resistance must reverse to support, right? And we still haven't tested this as support. We tested it a bunch of times here for resistance, even right here, and then ever since this huge pump, there's gonna come we're gonna retest it at some point for sure. Okay. Hi bro, what's up T-Rex? How you been, bro? I have a quick question. Is Big Eyes coin legit? Man, I gotta be honest, I never heard of that coin in my life. Big Eyes coin? What? Era mainnet is live for ZK. It just opened 2 days ago. Yeah, man, I was late to the ZK drop again too. I gotta stop procrastinating. Chrome just had an airdrop. Are you serious? So Heavens is saying that Chrome just had an airdrop snapshot. Man, I gotta stop procrastinating and, you know, get into these airdrops. I was literally about to do ZK like a couple days ago, and I just been procrastinating. You trade stocks or just crypto? Mainly crypto. I used to trade stocks, but I mainly do crypto. I trade both stocks. I would long Tesla. I really want Meta to die. I wish I could short Meta. 2023 is a year of airdrops. Yeah. When I started out, I did a lot of options trading, but like more conservative options trading, like the wheel strategy, covered puts, covered calls. ZK didn't do the snapshot yet. You have time, really? Because right here, they're saying that you can claim the airdrop, or that it's. Let me see right here. So I still have time to do the ZK airdrop. Look at this. The Paul is now available on Shiba Swap. Paul token is now available on Shiba Swap. Look at that. Is this your first stream in a while, or do you stream at this time now? This is my first stream in a while, Crypto Billionaire. What's on pre-sale? Yeah, I would be careful coins like that on pre-sale, like, you know, because what happens a lot of times with pre-sale is that they, you know, people buying it in the pre-sale and then it just drops like crazy. So definitely do a lot of research. Not all pre-sales are bad, but do a lot of research regarding pre-sale, especially if they're called Big Eyes coin token. Yes, you have time. Oh man, that's great, man. Thank you so much, Jesse. Thank you so much, man. I thought it was over because I saw a post on for ZK Sync where it's like you can claim your airdrop, or it's like the distribution is getting set already, something like that. So, and how do you participate? Like, do you just gotta transact in their swap and all that? I'm gonna watch a video on how to participate in the bridge. Yeah, the bridge, right? So yeah, I'm gonna be watching a video on how to do it after this live stream, and I'm definitely gonna do it. I mean, I missed out on the Arbitrum. I definitely don't want to miss out on this one. From Eve to ZK Sync. Oh, okay, from Eve to ZK Sync. So I'll probably transfer like Eve over to MetaMask because it uses MetaMask, right? And then you use mainnet applications. Okay. Yeah, I heard someone too say that it's definitely a good thing to mint an NFT. So, do you think that's a good thing to do, minting an NFT? Because I heard someone say in the video saying that if you mint an NFT, that's definitely a plus. It's called ZK Sync Sniff. So it's basically the same. It's kind of similar to the one that you did with Arbitrum, where you gotta use the bridge and all the applications. ZK Sync. I just searched it up here for you. I'm here on Twitter. So right here, ZK Sync, and it's right here. The ZK Sync. So I definitely recommend watching a video on how to do it. Right here, ZK Sync airdrop coming soon. ZK Sync is now live on ZK Sync Era Alpha mainnet, and we knew they believe in crypto ownership. Now it seems their token launch is closer. Awesome. I'm definitely gonna do this after the live stream for sure. Definitely want to participate. I minted an NFT on Lite. ZK Lite. Is ZK domains out already? Oh, okay, so you minted. Okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna mint NFT too, because I'm pretty sure I'll help with the airdrop. Any idea when the Pi coin open main? Now, I don't know yet. I have a lot of Pi from mining, so I'm definitely gotta be up to date with that, T-Rex. But definitely do the KYC so you can be, as soon as it comes out, you can be ready. ZK, yeah, ZK Sync, exactly. And look, guys, I've been looking at TikTok. I just found this one right here. I don't know if this is legit. Look, TKO token has been confirmed with potentially a huge airdrop. Maximize your chances of receiving Tyco airdrop strategy. So this, I don't know if this one is legit, but TKO, let me look here and see if this is a legit airdrop. Yeah, and this guy's showing you here how to do it using the swap. So TKO, another possible airdrop. Let's search here, TKO airdrop. And again, I'll be posting all the airdrops I participate in the Discord and the airdrop alerts section. So this is another airdrop here to look into. I don't know if it's 100% legit, but TKO Tyco, definitely look into it, do some research. Is Luna done for? The CEO about to do hard time. I don't think Luna Classic is done for, because Luna Classic doesn't have connection with Do Kwon. But maybe possibly Luna 2.0 might be done for, because that has connection with Do Kwon, like he participated in rebuilding it. So I still have my Luna Classic. I've been accumulating throughout this bear market, but we'll see what happens. And yeah, guys, look, I'll try to be on later tonight for sure. So definitely put the notification bell so you guys know when I'm on later tonight. Thank you for all the likes. I have a huge video coming out tomorrow. Watch that on my YouTube. Also, I created a Clapper account. Clapper is a lot of people are moving to Clapper. A lot of people are transitioning to Clapper. Definitely check it out. I was able to get my username Sir Lewis. I didn't even have to get Sir Lewis _, or something like that. But definitely check it out. It's basically like TikTok, but it's like American owned in Texas. So check it out. Follow me on there. It has like a really cool group chat section where we can you can join my group chat, Kingdom Trader. But definitely check it out. I definitely recommend it if you don't like TikTok, because it's owned by the CCP or whatever. But definitely check it out, Clapper. And yeah, I'll be back on later tonight. Let's stream here for you guys. Just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support. Everyone that donated through Super Chat, thank you for all the Super Chat, the $10, 10.35, all together. Thank you everyone that donated super chat. And yeah, God bless all you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Good night. Well, not good night. Good evening. I'll see you guys this night. And yeah, peace.